I have here a first edition of Friedrich Engels' Die Lage der arbeitenden Klasse in England, published in Germany in 1845, following 2 years working in Manchester at his father's textile factory. For a book written in German, this has the unusual element of an introduction in English, where Engels writes to the working classes of Great Britain, "Working men, to you I dedicate a work in which I have tried to lay before my German countrymen a faithful picture of your condition, of your sufferings and struggles, of your hopes and prospects." Surveying the working classes in Manchester, there's even a map of Manchester at the end, Engels studies the condition of the lower classes, how they suffer, and how the middle classes seem only interested in advancing their own interests. Already associated with Karl Marx, Engels was later to gain notoriety both as the co-author of the Communist Manifesto and as the editor of the last 2 books of Karl Marx's Capital.